Hello everyone, ninth class mathematics. Now today we will discuss about the laws of exponents. Laws of exponent, in which the first one is a to the power m into a to the power n, it equals to a to the power m plus n. For example, if we consider 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4, it becomes 5 to the power 3 plus 4, so it is 5 to the power 7. Second one, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, it equals to a to the power m minus n if m is greater than n. When m is greater than n, the power of the numerator is more than the power of denominator. So for example, 10 to the power 7 divided by 10 to the power 3, it becomes 10 to the power 7 minus 3. So it is 10 to the power 4. Next one, a to the power n divided by a to the power n. It is 1 upon a to the power n minus m, because m is less than n. So we consider 15 to the power 2 divided by 15 to the power 7. This becomes 1 upon 15 to the power 7 minus 2, means 1 upon 15 to the power 5. Next, a to the power m to the power n. So it becomes a to the power m into n. For example, 2 to the power 3 to the power 5, it becomes 2 to the power 3 into 5, means 2 to the power 15. Next, a to the power 0 equals to 1. Any number we can consider 101 to the power 0, this value becomes 1. The next one is a to the power minus m. If the power is negative, then it will be 1 upon a to the power m. For example, if we consider 7 to the power minus 2, so it becomes 1 upon 7 to the power 2. The next one is 1 upon a to the power minus m. So it's reciprocal, so the power will be a to the power m, positive power. 1 upon 5 to the power minus 4, so we can mention 5 to the power 4. Next, a to the power n divided into b to the power n. Base is different but powers are same. So it is a into b to the power m. 9 to the power 3 into 8 to the power 3. This becomes 9 into 8 to the power 3. So it is 72 to the power 3. And another one, a to the power n divided by b to the power n. Again the powers are same, base is different. So it is a upon b to the power m. So if we consider 3 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 4, this becomes 3 upon 5 to the power 4. These are the laws of exponents, and using laws of exponents we can solve the questions given in your NCERT book, the exercise that is 1.6. In 1.6 exercise, we see that the very first question is 64 to the power 1 by 2. The first method is we can find the factors of 64. Factors of 64 in prime factors. The one way, another way, we know that 64 is the square of 8. So 8 square means 64. So this will be 1 upon 2. This we have studied the laws of exponent a to the power m to the power n. So it becomes a to the power m into n. So this will be 8 to the power 2 into 1 upon 2. This 2 cancelled. This result becomes 8. The second one, we consider 32 to the power 1 upon 5. 32 to the power 1 upon 5. 32 we know that 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. To the power 1 by 5. This how many times? 5 times. So 2 to the power 5, 1 upon 5. So it becomes 2, 5 into 1 upon 5. This cancelled. The result becomes 2. The next one is 125 to the power 1 by 3. 125 to the power 1 by 3. So this third one, 125 to the power 1 by 3. Again write down the prime factors of 125. This is 5 into 5 into 5 to the power 1 by 3. So it is 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Again this cancelled. The result becomes 5. Then we consider the second question. In second question, find 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 to the power 3 by 2. We will simplify this. We know that 9 means 3 into 3. This power is 3 by 2. So it becomes 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 by 2. It becomes 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. This 2 cancelled. So the result becomes 3 to the power 3, and 3 to the power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times. So it is 27. The next one is 16 to the power 3 by 4. 16 to the power 3 by 4. The factors of 16, 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, to the power 3 by 4. So it becomes 2 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. This 4 cancelled. It becomes 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 8. Then another one is that is given 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. The third one is 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. We know that this will be 5 into 5 into 5 3 times, minus 1 by 3 means 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. This 3 cancelled. It becomes 5 to the power minus 1. You have studied a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. So it becomes 1 upon 5. Then question number third. In third one, simplify 2 to the power 2 upon 3. The very first is 2 to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 5. We know that the very first law of exponent, that a power m into b to the power m is equal to a to the power m plus n. So base is same. You need to apply the first laws of exponent. 2 to the power 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. To simplify, you know how to simplify. The LCM of 3 and 15 is 3 and 5 is 15. So this 3 5 times, 5 2 times 10 plus 5 3 times, so it is 3. It becomes 2 to the power 13 upon 15. This is about the third question. 2 more questions are there that you can solve these questions at home, homework questions. Now this is about the first chapter. Now the first chapter is over.